Okay, video blog check everybody. Azrael here. We're here in BGC. So after ang trip ko in Borongan, Samar, meron tayong event from Globe. It's the Deadpool and Wolverine Quiz Night. Ito ata yung last week na dapat bumagyo. Hindi natuloy. So sa BSK Club, sa The Fort yung venue. Hindi pa ako nakakapasok sa mga club na to. So let's check it out, yo. So, ayan, we are here in BGC. Matapos natin makakita ng mga bundok, dagat at ilog, ito na yung BSK. So let's check it out, yeah. Okay, pasok na tayo dito for the Deadpool and Wolverine event. Check it out, yo. Okay, ayan, vlog natin to. We're here sa Deadpool and Wolverine sa Globe event, and here's si Patty. Ay! Hey, Teacher Angel. Magka-clubbing si Teacher Angel.
Alam mo na, inis na.
So para makakuha tayo na ito, no? So, ay, nangyari. Okay na yun? What the hell? What the hell? Ang technique niyan, yung pinakamalapit. Huli cam! What the? What the? Wow! Buenos dias, buenas noches. Ang itlog ang laman. Patulog nga kuya. Sticker. Sticker. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Ex-Disney.
Here's my t-shirt, Wolverine. At nakakuha tayo ng itlog. Pasok na ako, ha? Ano ba meron sa club na to? Ayun. Here's the club. Club na club. Oh! Ay! May itlog ako. Keychain. Keychain. So, ito yung loob ng club, mga bata. Ayan, dito nagka-club yung mga kids. Ito ang lamiko. Ayan, at si Aaron na bagong gupit. Ayan. So si Andre, yung pala yun. Hello. Ayan, so mga bata, mag-aral kayo mabuti para makapag-club kayo sa gabi. Ayan, alright. Hindi ako ngayon lang nakapasok dito. Dating K-pop to, yung mga samgyup ginawa ng club. Dito ba yung honor? Okay. Okay. Husay naman. Okay, order na tayo ng pagkain. Drinks lang ba to? Ito pala eh.
May menu.
Saber Source! Yun o. Flame on! Pag kinakalog mo, gano'n ba talaga yun? Wala siyang pindutan. Food is here. Food is here. Wala yung pinunta ko dito. Food is here. Ayun. Ito yung aking ano. Parang amaretto. Thank you kay Childman for the Marvel juice. Congrats! Congrats!
Spread the word!
Ayan. So, nabigay sila ng sticker. Panalo. Yeah ba? For food, ito na pinunta ko dito eh. Kumain ng pagkain. Ito lang talaga. Sige, picture na. Paano kakainin niya? Walang isa lang yung kutsara. Subuhan mo ako, ha? Subuhan mo ako. Ayan. Kamayin nyo na lang, kamayin nyo na lang. Ayan, may plato. Alright, thank you. Ayan, mekos mo na. Mekos mo na. Wolverine, no? Wolverine yung buhok. Parang palabok. Ano ba ito? Sisig ba ito? Wolverine.
Geeks from all over. My name is Dino Imperial, your host for tonight, but of course the geek community knows me as Childman. Alright, first off, I just want to say thank you very much for having me as your host. Globe Disney, thank you very much for the invite. And to everybody, thank you for joining the Battle of the Icons! Alright, wonderful.
Battle of the Icons pala to eh. Katayin tayo dito. At ang mga galing nandito.
Really beautiful.
Pala dyan naman si Earl.
Flores, the Portfolio Director of Marketing Partnerships at Glow. Give it up for Miss Stella!
Good evening, everyone. Thank you all for coming for Battle of the Icons. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our friends from the media, our community representatives, and of course, our partners from Disney. Globe has always championed bringing what you are most passionate about into life in a tangible experience with like-minded people. Today is a testament of that as we dabble into the lives of Deadpool and Wolverine. We give our customers opportunity for exciting experiences through our wonderful offers. We bring our customers closer to the movie by giving them a chance to win Deadpool and Wolverine tickets via Globe's all-new rewards. All you have to do is open the rewards catalog on Globe One and tap on G-Swipe Surprise Gift for a chance to win tickets through a scratch card. Now for our Globe Rewards Plus customers, they can redeem 2 tickets for 5 points via the Globe One Rewards Plus page. Now as for our participants today, we bring to you exciting prizes as you test your knowledge for our Battle of the Icons. So whether you're a Deadpool fanatic Jan,
Or Deadpool,
or a Wolverine warrior, Globe ensures that your passions and interests. So tonight's quiz night is going to be great. We got exciting questions and Marvel magic in store. So who's ready to become the ultimate icon expert? Together with Disney, again, we welcome you and enjoy the night.
1 and 2, Treasure Child Man. Okay. Luto eh, no? Good joke. Alright. Next group,
Dalawang group.
Toy-Con PH!
Putang ina, kalaban ko yun. Ayoko! 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 Kalaban muna!
Give it up for Toki!
Ano pa kaya ng group natin? Media. Team Media.
Shout out to the next group, Deadpool PH!
Ay, putek! Mga expert tong mga to.
Next group, I'm super is here by the way. I've been following them on social media. Other quiz night masters. Shout out to Trivia! Our next group, Art Toys PH!
Woo! Ba? Ano yung laban?
They're not the last pa lang. Meron pa lang pahabol na team. Shout out to the media team!
Media!
But I can follow na lang. Alright. So,
Hey!
not that. Second place.
Cos Baby!
And Cos Babies.
Pwede na, pwede na, pwede na.
It's like the more expensive version of a Funko Pop. Made by Toy-Con. Ay, hindi kayo invited sa next Toy-Con.
Naka-block yung Toy-Con.
So,
tahimik lang kami dito para di kami ma-block.
alright, Deadpool is blocking Toki and Toy-Con. Who is your third group? You are
Block ka.
blocking Children Child, man. Oh, I don't like you already. It's pictured on the front of a cereal box that Deadpool signs. Is it A, Colossus, B, C, Wolverine, or D, Cable?
Ay, mamaya, baka makita eh.
Alright, tallying up the points.
Ano tayo kami?
Tama nyo kami doon.
Alright. So we're not gonna announce who got 3, 2, or 1 because these 3 groups tied. Oh.
Tayo kaya yan?
So Bale, you all got 1, 2, and 3.
Dalawang beses tayo na block eh.
So the 3 that tied for round 1 is House of Cards, Toki, and Church of Childman 1. And Media.
Black kayong lahat. Toycorn black din.
So now, for the moment that
Black na yan, black.
congratulations.
Black na yan, black. Black. Black na yan. Black na yan. Ah, yung keychain.
Baby. Mugs. As well as movie tickets. And the winner.
Black na yan, black.
An epic quiz showdown of Battle of the Icons. Our champions are House of Cards.
Woo! Black.
Wala na black dito ah. Congratulations, congratulations.
Black na yan. Black na yan.
Congratulations, House of Cards.
We also want to give a special shout out to all the communities that are here, that will PH, Maguan, Toycorn, Artois, Toki, Chapman, House of Cards, and of course our friends from the media. We're so happy with the energy that you brought here tonight.
Hello. Thank you very much to Marvel, to all the communities. Thank you very much.
Yo. Nako, galit na si Nicole.
Pila ulit. Pila ulit. Anli yan.
Anli ba? Anli.
Yun.
Pila ulit.
Anli.
Anli ba? Anli.
5 pesos, 5 pesos. Ayun. Hakot yan, no? Oh, kita mo? Anli yan, 5.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Pili ka muna nung ano. Nagulo na eh. Ay, tumama. Doon sa gitna mo, patirahin mo sa gitna. Ayun, huli. Oh, huli. Hey! Ay nako si Aaron. Kailangan makashoot ka. Wala, medyo magulo na yung ano. Ayun, nakahiga doon, yung nakahiga. Oh. Uy! Uy! Hindi marunong. Mali. Usot mo pa doon. Ay, mali. Oh. Ay, kabila pala. Eh! Oh, wala.